Hello viewers, again welcome. So how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful and amazing bottle recycling world. Here's amazing benefits and you can listen and you definitely love with it. Today we are fantasizing topic that connects creativity, sustainability and mindfulness. Bottle recycling and bottle crafts every year billions of planets plastic billions of plastic and glass bottles are up in the landfills, oceans or scattered around our environment. But what if I told you that each bottle that you throw away could actually be the beginning of something new, a lamp, a planter, a storage container, or even a beautiful piece of art. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also brings surprising mental health benefits through the act of mindful crafting. Let's start with the problem. Plastic bottles take hundreds of years to decompose. A single water bottle you throw away today might still exist for generations to come. Glass bottles, although recyclable, often end up in the wrong place and contribute to pollution. When bottles are not recycled, they harm wildlife, pollute our ocean, and waste valuable resources. Recycling is the one solution, but it requires energy and large cycle scale system. That's where bottle crafts step in, a simple personal way to reduce waste and make a difference. Recycling a bottle is more than just tossing it into a bin. Every recycled bottle saves raw material, reduces carbon emission, and conserves energy. For example, recycling a glass bottle saves enough energy to power a 100-watt light bulb for 4 hours, but beyond industrial recycling, upcycling bottles into crafts gives them a second life in your own hands. Instead of seeing a bottle as trash, you see it as potential. That shifts in perspective is powerful. It teaches that waste can become wonder. Now let's explore bottle craft with just a pair of scissors, some paint and a little imagination. An ordinary bottle can be transformed. Cut a plastic bottle in half and you have a self-watering planter. Add lights inside a glass bottle and you have a glowing lantern. Paint and decorate and suddenly it's a flower vase or a pen holder. Its possibilities are endless. What's beautiful about bottle craft is what anyone can do them. Kids, adults, beginner for or experienced artists. You don't need expensive tools, just creativity and patience. Health benefits. Here's where the story gets even more interesting. Crafting isn't just good for the environment, it's good for the mind. When you sit down to make something out of a bottle, you naturally enter a state of mindfulness. Your attention shifts to the texture of the material, the color you choose, and the movements of your hands. Stress and distraction begin to fade. Psychologists call this the flow state. When you are fully immersed and in an activity, your mind relaxes, your heartbeat steadies, and you feel calm. In today's busy world, bottle crafts can be more than a hobby, they can be a simple from meditation. On a larger scale, bottle recycling and crafting create a ripple effects. When families recycle bottles, children learn lifelong values of sustainability. Communities that encourage